Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to contact AliExpress Support Team. Open AliExpress application on your device and then at the bottom go to your account section, and here you should find Help Center button that looks like this. And here you can see popular solutions, frequently asked questions, and eventually you can go to online service and ask your question directly right here, send it and wait for the response. So that's how you can contact AliExpress Support Team. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.